hopefully, when these come up. I hope this doesn't fall and break my camera, then I will be very sad. And now I have the short end, it's over there, here, long end. So by the leverage. Hello, welcome back to G2 Racer. Normally I do videos about my Alfa Romeo, but actually I started my channel at, the name was Robert's Garden, and I was planning to do more videos about gardening and landscaping and how to grow different kind of vegetables, mostly vegetables. But actually today I will make a short video about a little bit about gardening, or more like landscape shaping or something like that. I'm at my work now and I'm building fences. I have built over there, I will show you later, a bigger fence that is a combination of a property divider between another company's property and ours, so, but also it's for gardening too, I will show you, and some smaller fences, and that is protecting the swings for the kids at school. And over here I'm also building a more like a protection fence, so the kids at my school don't run out in the street. But before I do that, I have to tear down the old fence. It's an old metallic fence, I don't know, 40, 50 years old. And that has concrete foundations. I will show you. Here you can see part of the old fence. You see classic ugly green metal fence. We will change this all the way that is towards the road, but the first thing is to change this one, you see, and we have the old fence was all the way up there. So I've taken away the metal netting, but now I need to remove the old iron posts. And these, of course, have big concrete foundations. I have started to take, I'm taking them out one by one, as you can see. And over there I am building the new fence. And of course, here I have an example of one of the old rusty foundations. As you can see, they are about 70 centimeters long and maybe 25 centimeters in diameter. And they are heavy as, I don't want to say a bad word, but they are very heavy. And of course I am alone here and I have no equipment at all. No machines, I have no help. So how do I get them out from these holes? And that is what I will show you now. So in a very primitive way, I'm using a shovel. And of course I had to dig away the soil that is, of course, around the concrete foundation. I will show you how I dig now. The old foundation. I could, of course, dig everything around it, 360 degrees hole around it, and make it loose. But that is a lot of digging, and I want to dig as little as possible and as fast as possible. That's why I only digging a semicircle around one side of it, because I want this to tilt to the soil, so the soil releases a grip. And for me to do that, I don't have to dig around 360. I only need to dig one side, so one side gets free. And then I can tilt it. And then I will show you what I will do. A lot of stone, old roots and mud. It's only the first 20 centimeters are actually real soil. Then it's pure mud. Typical Sweden. And now you can see it's loose. And still, almost half of it is down in the hole, but now it's loose. And now I will do next trick. The next part of the operation is one long strong rope, one long 70 millimeters times 45, 70, 45 piece of strong wood, and let's see what I will do. First of all, I just take the rope like this. Take it. We have still some on the back side here, some old metal holders for the net. I'll secure it under one of these, and then just pull the rope through. Now we have it strong enough. I don't have to tie it because of the sheer weight of this. When I start pulling, it will hold this very firmly. Then I need to tie this to the long piece of wood. Now I think that most of you already understand what I will do. Yeah, this is how you do it when you are alone and you don't have any machines, because you're on a budget at school. So then you have to be smart. And hopefully that is secure enough. Let's see what happens when I try to pull this up. Hopefully when these come up, I hope this doesn't fall and break my camera, then I will be very sad. And now I have the short end, it's over there, here long end. So by the leverage, it goes very strong. And look what happens now. Look at that. And as easy as that, I managed to pull the maybe 70, 80 kilos of concrete and a big iron bar. I managed to pull it out of this very muddy hole. And you see how deep it is still. I didn't have to dig all the way. I only dug down to like this amount, so I don't have to dig the rest, and just pull it out. And short of breath. I still have 2, 3, 4, 5 more I need to pull out, but I don't have to do it today because I will continue now with the fence. But that will be another video. Bye.